Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxings, skincare and makeup tutorials. You'll see this one soon. And I also do product reviews along the way. So today, as you read from my title, Boxy Charm Base Box finally decided to show up to my house. I swear you guys, I keep on saying it. February has been a really shitty month when it comes to shipments for me. This box was delayed multiple times. The label had been created since the 5th, you guys. But anyways, in case you're not aware, the Boxy Charm Base Box is a $25 a month box, which we get 5 full-size products with a minimum value of $125. Now, Boxy Charm emailed me my card, my little description card, and I was not going to print it and waste my own ink and paper, so I'm gonna pin it right here because I have this feeling, you know, with my luck, something's gonna go wrong again, right? But I've waited long enough at this point. Let me get to it and let's open her up. But before I go any further, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, you guys, and select all in your notifications. And if you could please give me a like, at least a sympathy like, since, you know, I've had a shit month when it comes to shipments. I would greatly appreciate it. But anyways, you guys, let's go. Let's see what's in this box. Off the bat, I see what's wrong. So, fake smile. Boxy Charm originally emailed me saying I think I had variation 57. Again, I'm gonna post it again here, which I was supposed to get the a la mart brush set. Even though it was a lower value, I'm a brush whore or a hoarder, you know. Anyways, I love brushes more than sponges, and I didn't really care for these. I don't care if it's a higher monetary value. Usually that's not my thing. I don't necessarily care if it's that much more expensive. I just want the brushes. So when I got the email letting me know what was going to be my box, I was very ecstatic that I was going to get these brushes. So seeing this, it's very much so a letdown, and I know it's going to be nearly impossible to try to trade with anyone on our Boxy Charm groups because everyone's looking for the brushes right now. So Boxy Charm, FYI, stop sending us those emails because you just got my hopes up for nothing, and it just, you know, made it a shitty box for me right now. So I had seen that I was gonna get these, what are they called? EVO Skin Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. These are little hemp wipes. I don't remember the monetary value on the stuff. I just know this was in the teens, like 10, 15 bucks. There's only like 15 wipes in here, which is kind of weird. But I will say, I do know hemp products help cooling, refreshing your skin. So I am actually excited to try these. I know they've had them or a different brand previously, and I didn't get the chance to test it out. So I don't mind trying this out. I was actually excited to try this. Again, I just really wanted those brushes. And then I got the Ciate London Vacay. Now, I was not a fan of the original setting powder by Ciate London. I ended up gifting it because it was just, you know, it was just so stark white. I knew I would have flashback and it would look bad on my skin. When I was reading up on this, they said this one was made specifically so that you wouldn't get any flashback, which is why it has coconut inside. Now, I'm not too sensitive to smell, but I get irritated with scent. So, because I'm not going to open it right now, I have too many setting powders as it is. I literally have like 5 open, and that's really bad because I don't use very much setting powder. But if the odor is too strong for me, it causes headaches, which makes it last for several days when it's due to fragrance. So we'll see how it goes, but I might have to gift this one as well, because if the fragrance is too much, I'm just not willing to suffer a migraine over a setting powder, you know. But I do know this is retailed at $22, so we'll see. I got the Laura Geller Big Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Glidden Honey. I got loads of highlighters. Even though I do love Laura Geller, this is definitely too dark for my skin. It's very pretty by all means, but I would have needed like something lighter. Gold tones or too dark gold just look very streaky on my skin. Again, this box, after seeing that I was not gonna get the brushes, now the rest is a letdown kind of deal. This was my choice item, you guys, which is the Becca foundation. I had chose shade Vanilla, I believe. I don't honestly remember. Let's see. Vanilla looks pretty good. I will say, you guys, I actually bought a second one in linen in Boxy add-ons last month. I haven't had the opportunity to use it. I wanted to wait to use it until at least one of my foundations ran out, which I'm close with my It's Cosmetics. But looking at this one, it's in the same family tone as I am, but I almost feel like it's too yellow. The linen has more of a white undertone base, so it's more neutral, which I prefer. I'd rather it be more neutral where I can warm it up than basically too yellow, and it's harder for me to tone down. But anyways, you guys, this is my box for February 2020, a million gajillion days late. I'm gonna post the total price here, and my variation was $57. Thank you guys so very much, and you have a great day.